So one of the things I hear a whole lot from my clients is, I'm doing a whole lot more virtual presenting these days. Do you have any tips on how I can kind of up my virtual game? Well, actually, I have a lot of tips along those lines, but let's start with a really important one that will hugely impact the way people perceive you in the virtual world. Did you know that over 60% of your believability and credibility comes from how you look when speaking, even in the virtual world? What that means is that even if your verbiage, your tone of voice, your speed of speech are all spot on, if what people are looking at on the screen isn't impressive, they're going to have a really hard time getting past that in order to even take in, much less appreciate your message. All that to say, if you want to give yourself a huge advantage when speaking virtually, I'm going to encourage you to invest in just two pieces of inexpensive equipment. The first one is a great light source. Now, I would say that at least probably 80% of the folks I see on Zoom and on WebEx calls are not lit to the degree that they need to be in order to fully engage people when presenting. It's just not enough for your audience to be able to see you. They need to be able to easily make out the micro expressions on your face and see the color of your eyes in order to be impacted by your delivery. Please don't settle for, people can see me, it's all good. If you truly want to appear polished on virtual calls, solid lighting like this is critical. I don't get paid to actually endorse any kind of product, but in my opinion, the Lume Cube is probably the best bang for your buck. They're small, they clip right onto your desktop or laptop, and they're gonna give you the light that you need. Secondly, I get so tired of seeing people trying to present professionally in a virtual space like this, where there's like people walking around in the background or just a cluttered environment behind them. It's distracting for the viewer, and it does nothing to help you as the speaker appear more credible. Easy fix though. They now make portable green screens that fold out and attach to the back of your chair so that the only thing your audience sees is you and whatever background you decide to use. Now, I'm using a green screen right now, and what is great about it is that not only can I change the background whenever I want to, like this, but with proper lighting, like this, that flickering thing that kind of happens when you try to use a fake background without using a green screen, it just doesn't happen. Everything ends up looking crisp and smooth and professional, which is what you want. So, if a polished presence is something you want to project in your virtual meetings, consider investing in an inexpensive light source and a portable green screen. Your audience will thank you. I'll see you next time.